things like his taekwondo was shut down for 2 weeks, and
That?
years of smoking.
Oh.
The one thing I tell him, like, I've never had this happen.
So do you do your own feet at home? Or do you go to a podiatrist?
Right now, I do my own feet at home.
Okay.
I hate to say this, but now that I can reach them. I just lost 40 pounds, and it's made it easier to do things.
Oh, that's great.
So,
good for you.
this pandemic has made us gain a few pounds. So.
Oh, I know. I've gained 40 pounds.
I lost 40, so.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
They said she could have died in her sleep.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so.
Well, what's the cause of that?
Years of smoking.
Oh,
The one thing I tell my children, if you can help, don't get into that habit.
no.
It was cool when I was younger. It's not cool.
No,
The
it's not.
effects and all that stuff. So,
I'm sorry.
that you don't have.
Yeah, that's true. Now you teach this to other people, right? So other manicurists would do the same kind, or
Yeah, I have an online course where I provide, the big course is 22 hours of.
People often ask, how do you know how much of the toenail to remove? The thickness of the nail determines how much of the nail to remove on the first visit. I will remove approximately half of the thickness to give the nail mycosis product the opportunity to penetrate into the nail. And when they come for their second visit, there will be new nail growth on the nail that will tell me what the natural thickness of the nail is. And I will then thin the nail out the rest of the way to match the natural thickness.
I have a twin brother, and he smoked too, and he quit. So,
but he still uses the gum.
I know.
3 years and he's still chewing the gum. I said, I don't know if that's any better.
Better for his lungs anyway.
That didn't scare you to death when the doctor said you could have died in your sleep?
Well, they didn't say that per se, but that obviously could have happened because I was going downhill. But yes. Usually they come here and we go there, but we haven't been able to coordinate that at the moment.
Great place to vacation.
It is.
Even better if you have a place to stay with relatives.
Yeah, and we can go between 2 different households, and
So they live in Sacramento.
Nice.
it's really different because here you look up when you're driving, everybody's in their front yards or whatever doing stuff. There, everybody's in their backyard.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, nobody hangs out in their front yards. I'm like, I noticed that because I've never seen people outside. Well, they don't really have much front yards.
No, they don't. They're pretty packed.
That's good.
That, and I think he's just missing doing a lot of things, like his taekwondo was shut down for 2 weeks. And
Does it?
the other one I didn't even feel. This one, oops, sorry, tickles. I get a lot of extra skin and stuff around my toenail.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to jump.
Tickling.
Yeah.
Because I just put some oil on my nail, and I was like, oh, it's like,
Oh.
how is she doing that? And tickling it.
Usually it doesn't, like when we've had art pedicures in the past, it doesn't usually tickle, but sometimes my request like, hey. Now, what's that?
This is just getting off.
The
Relax
Fisher
your foot. Oh, the Fisher cream? It's gonna help the cracks in your feet. Just don't push down.
Okay, I'm
Just,
trying.
You'll be fine when you're-
Trent's doing okay at home alone.
Let's put your foot backwards on the cushion. Just scoot it backwards a little bit. Just a little. There, right there. That's okay.
Now, is Owen having school at my house?
On Thursdays, there's no virtual class.
Oh, okay.
I mean, he still will have homework, but I'll do that when I get home. I had that happen where we live too. For
Yeah.
Owen's 3rd grade. I'm like, well, I'm glad he's virtual because it's just he stays home anyways.
We're both fully vaccinated too, so
That's good.
this is a unusual outing for us, so I stay home as much as possible and do what I'm supposed to.
Me too.
And hopefully
Try not
next
to
year
watch
we
this.
won't be dealing with all this. Jennifer and I were talking today, the State Farm commercial where the hood ornament is a female, and she's saying, you've got the brawn, but I've got the brains, and I'm thinking, if you got the brains, why are you stuck on the hood of the car? You know?
I haven't seen that.
Yeah, I haven't seen that either. That's funny.
She's singing, it's like, okay. Yes, places are going up, right? Did you care if I took a photo?
No, that's fine.
Mrs. Davey trying to do?
Well, now that COVID has added some cleaning a lot in between clients, I do about 10 a day. I used to do about 13.
Thing for her.
Well, the pedicures and stuff are fine.
But you just can't relax.
There's a gas station in Blanchard that